the CEO of pricing. Today, I will talk about dynamic pricing strategy and how you can make use of it. Most of the sellers use dynamic pricing regularly and our customers use it most of the time, and actually this is my favorite. It's very flexible and works best when you know how to use it. Let me explain it and then you decide whether you would like it or not. Have you ever wondered why prices on Amazon change rapidly? Time to time, you cannot follow it. It changes by minute. Well, Amazon uses a dynamic pricing strategy. What is dynamic pricing exactly anyway? Dynamic pricing is a strategy in which you set flexible prices based on various factors such as costs, demand, supply, target profit margin, competitor prices. You can make this list as long as you want based on the factors in your market. It's also called surge pricing, demand pricing, or time-based pricing. Today, dynamic pricing is widely adopted in e-commerce and mostly used by the hospitality industry, support tickets, retail, and many more. But know that each industry has its different approach to dynamic pricing based on the market demand for that specific good or service. As we said, Amazon, one of top used e-commerce platforms, widely uses dynamic pricing. They invested millions of dollars in a dynamic pricing strategy. Well, it seems like it's a kind of a big deal, right? The Amazon algorithm uses large amounts of data. This data includes market trends, competitor prices, consumer habits, market demand, stock availability, and etc. Don't let this scare you. You can make use of the data available to you and still beat the competition. Like in retail, hospitality is taking advantage of dynamic pricing as well. For example, the price Airbnb offers changes in real time based on demand and the available units in searched locations. Define a price rule, but give it flexibility or freedom so it can change depending on set circumstances. You can see the strategy in industries where they are really comparing their prices, products, and services with other competitors a lot. As you know, e-commerce is very crowded and you have to know how to deal with competitors out there. And remember that the demand is highly elastic from our earlier courses, elasticity of demand. Pricing is really the art of finding the ideal margin level for each product while maximizing the total volume of sales. You need to know how to optimize your prices. Small business owners can gain market share from competitors by optimizing their prices. Without making big investments, pricing allows you to utilize dynamic pricing technology. And it's actually very fun when you get into it. Let me explain to you how to use it. It's simple. Gather the data and use the repricing engine. Market conditions might change. You might need to follow the stock out from other sellers. Let's say that only you sell that product and all other competitors are out of stock. So you are the only seller now, thus charging higher margins is possible without hurting your sales volumes. Some other common situations you can use are like when competitors increase prices, you can automatically increase yours and still preserve your price positioning. When competitors make discounts, your prices can automatically follow their discounts. A hybrid strategy may help you test price points freely without the risk of bleeding money or losing your competitive advantage. Lastly, keep in mind these three important concepts. Have a solid data collection system and look for competition. Gather data. It's very crucial in the e-commerce market. Do quick and effective price adjustments. As you know, modern consumers are price sensitive, as we have talked about it in our earlier videos. Consumers will react faster when you make deals. You need to be able to use a quick and effective dynamic pricing strategy. Do continuous testing for improvement. Follow your competitors and keep testing new strategies for your pricing. Do constant monitoring to see whether it's working well. So, that was it about dynamic pricing. You can check out our blog for more and you can find links in the description down below. And you can also subscribe to our newsletter. Comment down below if you like dynamic pricing and which one works best for your business. Thank you all guys. Our next course will be based on common pricing strategies. See you back then. Take care.